Hello everyone, welcome back to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. I'm a SAS trainer and programmer. In this video, I'm going to explain SAS Certified Specialist Practice Question number 16. And I already covered a few videos earlier. I'm just attaching it here in card, and you can see it in the down also in my description for more interesting links and all. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button so that you will get latest updates. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this question number 16, we need to create the new data set as a test from the SAS help class. Then you need to sort the observations by age in a descending order. Then remove a duplicate values based on the age. Keep only the first occurrences in this particular sort concept. And once run the program, we need to answer the following questions in the below. What is the value of name variable for the observation number 4 in a test data set? And that particular answer I need to enter that particular value. So answer in this particular space. So how many observations we'll have in a test now when age is above 14? How many records we will have it? If it is a 0 records, 10 records, 30 records, we will see about it and we will try to answer this. So guys, it's a simple question. I think you can able to do it yourself without my explanation. You take a pause of my video and try to do it as same. And once you check this particular question, unmute, you just play this particular video once you are done with your answer and try to check your answer and my answer is correct or not. So what we will do is, let me just jump into my SAS software. Here is a SAS software. So according to the question, we need to take the data from the SAS help class. So I'm writing it. Proc sort data equal to your data set name, out equal to test is the new data set you are creating it. At the same time, I don't want to have any duplicates. I'm writing it no dup key. I'm just writing it semicolon by age wise. I'm writing it, but here the age should be in a descending order, so you have to write it age wise in a descending order, semicolon, and run. So now if you execute it, run it, you can see I think there is no issues. Total 6 observations in your data set. The data set, you can see it in your libraries location, work library. The test data set is created with 6 observations is there in the data. So now the question, according to my question number 1, observation number 4, what will be the value for my name? So the answer is Alice. So is the name according to the data. So you see that the question number 4, so question number 1, the observation number 4, the answer is Alice. And how many observations we will have it in the test data set when age is above 14? So what I can do is, you cannot write where condition on this particular data. If you are writing the where condition here, so you will not get the proper output. So what you can do is, once the data set what you are getting it and it will be created here. Okay, so write a where condition here. So if you write it the where condition in this particular third line, so you will get a different answer. If you write a where condition here, so you will get a different answer. Right now you may not see it's a very less number of observations. When you have a huge quantity of the observations, where you are writing a where statement also is actually matters. In this data set we want it only where age is greater than 14. I want it. So let's see in my new data set whatever we are getting it. Now check it in your data set, only 2 observations we will have it in the data set of your test. You go there, check your data set according to the age wise. So first you close the data set and let me rerun it because it's not updated. Go there and go to my work library, and there test data set, if you see there you will have a 2 observations. Okay, all the 2 guys here, the 2 persons with the age is above 14 only. So according to that question, answer is going to be how many observations we will have it in the test data set. Above 14 is going to be 2. You will get it. So the first question answer is going to be Alice. So you're writing it. And the second one is going to be 2 observations. You will get it. So that's all about for this particular question number 16. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to attach upcoming videos in upcoming days. So be subscribed and thank you for watching. And I'll meet you in the next video.